Welcome to the Yamaha Garage. Thanks for joining us today for some useful service information and technical tips on maintaining your Yamaha TT-R230 trail bike. Today's video is going to cover one of the most important and frequent maintenance tasks, how to properly check your TT-R's engine oil. The engine oil level needs to be checked, certainly after every oil change, but also make it a habit to check it before every ride. There are a few simple steps to checking the oil level of your TT-R230. Warm the engine oil by letting the engine idle for a few minutes in a well-ventilated area. While it's warming, check for any visual oil leaks. Of course, shut off the engine and correct the issue if there is one. When the crankcase cover is warm to the touch, the engine oil is warm enough to shut off the engine and begin the oil level check. Wait a few moments for the oil to settle, and while you're waiting, safely secure your bike from rolling by placing it in gear or wrapping a strap around the front brake lever. You'll also need to plan for briefly standing your bike straight up. You can carefully balance it yourself, or you can always ask a friend or family member to sit on it or hold it for you. With the bike secure and upright, look at the check window on the bottom right side of the engine. The engine oil should be between the minimum and maximum level marks. If low, adjust the level by slowly adding small amounts of Yamalube and continuously rechecking until it's raised to the correct level. If it is too high, carefully loosen, but do not remove the drain bolt and slowly drain oil until the proper level is achieved. It's common knowledge that a low oil level can cause engine damage, but too much oil can cause issues too, such as oil blowby and leaks. Excess oil can also be forced into the airbox and can cause poor running and damage, so be certain the oil level does not exceed the maximum level mark. And remember, you should always check the oil level after the engine has been idling for a minute or two, then given a few minutes to settle. Congratulations, you successfully completed a Yamalube oil level check on your TT-R230. Great work. Note that a Yamaha Technical Academy Gold Tech always cleans his tools and puts them back in order after every job. And one last important step. Always remember to dispose of the used oil in an appropriate, environmentally safe manner. You can either take the oil to your nearest Yamaha dealer recycling center or ask your local auto parts supplier if you can drop it off there. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the Yamaha YouTube channel for more do-it-yourself videos and technical tips. Now let's get out and ride.